How to replace the brakes on a Farmall tractor. Farmall was a model name for tractors that used to be manufactured by International Harvester. They were general-purpose tractors that were made from the 1920s to the 1970s. With equipment this old, it is possible for something to go wrong. If the brakes on your Farmall tractor go out, replace them immediately to get your tractor working again. Things you will need: car jack, tire iron, flathead screwdriver, adjustable wrench, clean rag. Slide a car jack underneath the tractor near the back where the wheels are located. Pump up the jack so the back wheels of the tractor are off the ground. This step is completed just like you would raise up the back of a car. Remove the back wheels with a tire iron. Loosen the bolts holding the wheels in place and carefully slide the bolts off the back of the tractor. Pull the wheels off and set them aside. This will make it much easier to get to the brakes and access them. Find the brake line and unhook it by hand. Pop off the cover over the brakes with a flathead screwdriver. Slide the screwdriver under the cover and pop it off to locate the brake cam, O-ring and shoes. Remove these three objects with an adjustable wrench. Wipe down the cover with a clean rag. Run your hands over the surface of the brake drum and verify it is not rusty. Slide a new O-ring back in place and tighten it down with an adjustable wrench. Put the brake cam and shoes back in place and tighten them down with the wrench also. Pop the cover back on by hand and slide the tires back into place. Position the bolts and tighten them down with the tire iron. Lower the car jack holding the tractor up. Turn on the tractor and test out the brakes to verify they are working properly.